on the 115,
personally,
bag
I
5.
think maybe like shaking it off and things like that can be useful, but I like to just cut it away. It's, of course that's painful to say, but I'd rather do that personally than the alternative, because I think you might overall maybe degrade the product further.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Well, we covered a lot in this podcast episode. Certainly didn't cover every single pest there is. Love to know in the comment section below, what pest didn't we cover that you would like to see in the future? Let us know down in the comment section below. Matthew, this was awesome. This was really, really cool. Just a great general overview of the top 10 pests that could invade your garden and what to do to combat them. So really appreciate your time today and the knowledge that you've given both me and my audience. Tell us, how can the listeners find you, and what do you have upcoming in the future?
Well, I very much appreciate it, Chris, and I look forward to having another episode with you. You can find me at zenthanol.com, especially for professional inquiries. You can also find my educational information in two main places. The first one is that Zenthanol YouTube channel, where I produce observational footage, pest primer videos about various pests, and other sorts of things. I just did an intro on thyroids, and with a particular emphasis on the hot latent thyroid, which you can check out. And I also make a lot of information available on my Instagram account at SyncAngel. That's SYNCHANGEL. And that's my personal account, where I often have IGTV live streams where I talk to people and my followers about various things like you and I are right now. And those are the two major places where I produce that sort of content for people. And I'm very excited, and I'm honestly humbled. And it's a little bit surreal still, after almost 12 years of doing this, that I'm able to reach out and help as many people as I can. I just want to emphasize that I work tirelessly on this. It's very much a passion of mine to keep people from being able to deal with pests, especially in situations where the plants are lacking in support and infrastructure from various groups. So I'm happy that you're also somebody who is facilitating that information that's crucial for our success. Thank you.
Absolutely. It's clear that you've got passion towards this. So I love it. It just radiates from you, and it's infectious in a sense. So awesome stuff. Like I mentioned earlier in the episode, I'll definitely have links to Matthew's channels down in the description section below. If you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button. That helps with having this get recommended through YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, definitely hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Every single week I'm releasing these podcast episodes with a new guest every single week. If you're on one of the podcast platforms, particularly Apple Podcasts, please leave a rating and review. That's something that helps with spreading this information as well, as leaving that ratings and reviews, and of course sharing these episodes. Share with somebody who you think would benefit from this information. So once again, Matthew, thank you so much for coming onto this podcast. This has been a fantastic episode, just jam-packed full of information. So I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Well, thank you very much. I look forward to our mutual success.
Hope you don't mind. We made some tea. Allow me to introduce
I ain't even rolled up. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. Y'all just let me do me, huh? Nobody even asked me what I'm smoking either.
My fucking chocolate factory. Easy, boss. Don't get upset. When I have to go to the dentist,
I'm
I'm
upset.
upset. When Liverpool beats Arsenal,
I'm upset.
But when some little shit decides to take over one of the most profitable territories in the country, I'm beyond fucking upset. I'm very fucking upset. So, from now on, you're under new management. You will work for me, and in return, you'll receive an allowance.
Allowance?
Yes, allowance. As in, I'm allowing you to keep 10%, and I'm allowing you to keep drawing breath on this earth.